Have you ever wondered what happens while you sleep? Every single night, your body embarks on a remarkable journey of self-healing. Your skin cells work overtime to repair damage, your hair follicles focus on growth, and your mind meticulously sorts through the day's events, resetting itself for the morning. It's a powerful, natural process. But here's the catch. Most of us, without even realizing it, are actively sabotaging this nightly miracle. We disrupt the very systems designed to keep us healthy and vibrant. Today, we're going to change that. I'm going to share with you what you should really be doing every night. Forget the expensive creams, the complicated 10-step routines, and the endless products promising overnight transformations. This is about real care, rooted in science and simple habits. This is the routine that will genuinely change your body from the inside out. Are you ready to unlock your body's true potential? Let's begin. First things first, let's talk about the most fundamental step. Washing the day away. I want you to start thinking about washing your face before bed not as a beauty chore, but as a biological necessity. Throughout the day, your skin acts like a magnet, collecting a layer of oil, sweat, dirt, environmental pollutants, and bacteria. If you go to bed with that layer still on your face, you're essentially inviting inflammation, clogged pores, and breakouts to a party on your skin while you sleep. The solution is simple. You don't need a fancy, foaming, fragrant cleanser. All you need is a mild soap or a gentle cleanser and some lukewarm water. The temperature is crucial here. So many people make the mistake of using hot water, thinking it cleans better. But hot water is your skin's enemy. It strips away the essential oils that form your skin's natural protective barrier, leaving it dry, vulnerable, and irritated. So remember, gentle cleanser, lukewarm water. Gently massage your face, rinse thoroughly, and pat it dry with a clean towel. This simple act is the foundation of a healthy complexion, clearing the canvas so your skin can properly breathe and begin its repair work. Now that your skin is clean, let's move on to the control center of your entire body, your mind. You might not connect your thoughts to your skin, but the link is incredibly powerful. Your mind literally controls your skin's health. When you're stressed, anxious, or worried, your body goes into fight or flight mode and releases a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol is the culprit behind so many of our skin and hair woes. It can trigger acne flare-ups, increase inflammation, and even contribute to hair fall. So, calming your mind isn't just about feeling good. It's a critical part of your physical health routine. You don't need to meditate for an hour to reap the benefits. Just take 5 minutes. That's it. Find a quiet spot, sit comfortably, and close your eyes. Focus on your breath. Take a slow, deep inhale through your nose, imagining you're breathing in peace and calm. Feel your lungs expand. Then, slowly exhale through your mouth, visualizing all the stress, the deadlines, and the worries of the day leaving your body with your breath. Inhale peace. Exhale the day. Repeat this for just 5 minutes. This simple practice lowers cortisol levels, signals to your body that it's safe to relax, and creates the perfect internal environment for healing and regeneration. Your skin will thank you for it. The next step in our transformative night routine doesn't happen in the bathroom. It starts in your kitchen. True, lasting radiance isn't applied to your skin. It's built from within. You can have the most expensive products in the world, but if you're not feeding your body what it needs, you're just masking the problem. So let's talk about how to feed your skin from the inside. Start with the simplest, most effective hydrator on the planet. Water. Drink a full glass of water before you go to bed. While you sleep, your body loses moisture through breathing and sweating. This pre-bed glass of water helps replenish that and keeps your skin cells plump and hydrated from the inside, preventing that dull, tired look in the morning. Next, let's look at what you eat. Certain foods are powerhouses for skin repair. Think of fruits like papaya, which is rich in enzymes that help exfoliate and brighten the skin. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries are packed with antioxidants that fight the free radical damage your skin endured all day. A handful of almonds provides vitamin E, a crucial antioxidant that protects skin cells from damage. Remember this simple truth. Healthy, whole food gives you a natural, lit-from-within glow that no cream, serum, or foundation can ever truly replicate. Your diet is your best cosmetic. We've cleansed our skin, calmed our minds, and nourished our bodies. Now it's time for the most powerful step of all, the true holy grail of any beauty or wellness routine. Sleep. Sleep is not a passive state of rest. It's an active, dynamic period of intense biological activity. It is the real skincare. When you fall into a deep sleep, your body gets to work on a cellular level. Blood flow to your skin increases, allowing it to rebuild its collagen and repair damage from sun exposure and pollution. Your hair roots are strengthened and rebuilt. Your hormones, including those that regulate stress and appetite, find their balance. Every single cell gets a chance to reset and rejuvenate. But to access this deep, restorative sleep, you need to create the right conditions. And the biggest obstacle in the modern world is our attachment to screens. The blue light emitted from your phone, tablet, and TV screen tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime, suppressing the production of melatonin, the hormone that tells your body it's time to sleep. So, here's the rule. Put your phone and all other screens away at least 30 minutes before you plan to sleep. Read a book, listen to calming music, or do those breathing exercises we talked about. Create a sanctuary for sleep. Make your room as dark as possible. Keep it cool. A dark room, a light mind, and deep sleep. That is the ultimate secret to real, lasting beauty. So, let's bring it all together. The path to looking and feeling your best isn't complicated. It doesn't require a huge budget or a bathroom cabinet overflowing with products. You don't need filters to glow. What you truly need are consistent habits that support your body's innate ability to heal itself. It's about getting back to basics and keeping it real. The routine is simple. First, wash the day away to let your skin breathe. Second, take 5 minutes to breathe deeply and calm your mind. Third, eat right and hydrate to feed your skin from within. And fourth, prioritize deep, uninterrupted sleep as the ultimate act of self-care. Cleanse, breathe, eat, rest. Repeat this cycle every single night. That's it. It's not a quick fix, it's a lifestyle. It's a commitment to yourself. And when you make that commitment, your body will take care of the rest. It knows exactly what to do. You just have to give it the chance. If this video has helped you see your nightly routine in a new light, please give it a like. It really helps the channel and lets me know what kind of content you want to see more of. And if you know someone who's tired of complicated routines and needs this simple reminder, share it with them. For more no-nonsense tips on how to take care of your body and mind, make sure to subscribe to VitalFacts, because your true beauty isn't found in a makeup palette, it's forged in your daily habits. Thank you for watching, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video.